What's up, YouTube? We are live in the building, so we coming at you right now. Got another RB26 fresh up. This one had a big single on it. Was running good, but then apparently it started blowing smoke. So we going to tear him down, see what's up. But so far, I like what I see. I took number one plug out. Plug looks great. Where did it go? Right here. So I don't know if it can focus, but yeah, plug looks great. You know, that's a number 7. So yeah, it's liking that. Iridium. So I like that. Nice and clean. Got a light tan to it. That's beautiful right there. I like it. So that's good. So we'll pull the rest of them, see what's up, see if maybe we got a darkie in there from burning oil. We might have a darkie in there. So that's what's up. So it looks like it's got some real old school, I want to say HKS. I want to say, yeah, I think, or Toda. I don't remember if Toda even made gears for RB, but I think these are some super old school HKS gears. I could be wrong, don't quote me, but if you know what they are, put them in the chat. That's what's up. So this thing, it's already got some nice injector setup. So yeah, like I say, this was in car running well, and then all of a sudden start smoky doking. So we'll see what's up with that. So then we got the other RB over here. This the twins. This one got the twins set up. So we're waiting on a new harmonic balancer for this. And then once that comes in, I'll go ahead and finish off the face of the motor. I'm pretty well done putting together the hot side. Again, it's a couple hoses here that I'm not liking the way they're kind of bending and twisting. I will take them off and try reclocking them again. But for the most part, this guy is put together. Of course, we put the plenum on, but I don't want to bust that out until it's ready to go home, because it is, what is it? It's got that dip, hydro dip. How could I forget? So it's hydro dipped carbon. So it's going to look real nice, but in the meantime, I don't want it out here because I ain't trying to scratch it, because that ain't mine. So that's what's up. So we got this one here. We about to make a mess real quick. So I'll go ahead, and what I like to do generally, I like to just take the whole cylinder head off with the intake manifold still attached, exhaust manifold still attached, and just take the whole head off as one complete unit. Then that way I can sit that to the side and then concentrate strictly on the bottom end, because that's where you got to start first. As far as I do, when it comes to a full up rebuild. So stay tuned. We're about to snatch this head off, and then we go from there. So that's what's up. I'm out of here. Later.